Do you own an older Honda and you're always scared that it's going to get stolen? Well, I know I do. My main thing with this car is I hate parking it anywhere I can't see. I have to have eyes on it the entire time. I will not go to the mall with it. I won't go to the theaters with it. But today we're going to install a dual main relay. And you're asking me, why are you going to install a dual main relay if you're scared it's going to get stolen? That's because it's built in with a kill switch. Let's get into it. This is my Honda Civic EK hatchback, and the first thing we're going to do is open the hood and we're going to disconnect the battery. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my Ellis VTEC with a built head turbo setup. It makes good power. You can check out the series about the entire car and how it's going in the playlist. What we're going to do today though is we're going to remove this guy here so we have no power to it, and then we're going to install the dual main relay, which is super simple. Where you're going to access it is going to be behind here, and I already don't have a clip here, so this should be as easy as, and with that pry bar I was able to get this off, and this is going to push upwards. Perfect. Now is you're going to remove your glove box, and the way to do it is you press both sides in at the same times, and there's these rubber grommets that kind of hold it in, and everything will drop like that. I'm going to do that quickly. So this is my main relay here. Usually this is held in by a bolt, probably somewhere along these lines up here, but it looks like mine is already out. So this is going to be a super simple process. We're going to remove this. The reason you do take this off is because you have to access the relay through these gaps. Luckily mine was loose already. I guess luckily. I never did that myself. Must have been the last owner there. But yeah, that's why you got to take it out. I didn't have to in this scenario, I guess, but this install video shows you how to do it. Here is the difference between the two. This is one massive single main relay that tends to go bad, and this is a dual main relay. These cars definitely need this upgrade. A lot of cars have issues, especially like EFs and everything, where these will burn out and then you won't be able to start your car. A lot of people have starting issues because of this. Still looks OEM. It says Japan 12 volt, Mitsu assembly. It's kind of cool. I like that it says Japan. That's kind of cool, but it is a issue. As you see, there's two 12 volts with these guys, so we're getting double the power. What's great about this is all a plug and play system. There is no splicing, there is no doing anything custom. The only thing that is custom to you is going to be installing your kill switch. Let's get to doing this. This is probably the easiest install I think I've ever done, and I'm excited to try out the kill switch. So we're back in the car now, and pretty much this is going to be a plug and play process. This is going to go here, and then where you removed your main relay, which there is a screw right up there. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I'll point it out. I'll put it my finger. See my finger here? It's going to go right here. That's where you're going to mount it, and then you are going to connect your kill switch. Before we install it, what we're going to do is we're actually going to plug in the kill switch, and as you can see, this is the only wire here that actually is able to come loose like that. What this does is stop the signal and not allow the car to turn over, and then you can wire this guy anywhere in your car. So before actually reinstalling everything, we're going to make sure it works so that I don't have to do this again. So what I'm going to do is try turning on the car now with the kill switch off. The kill switch is off. You can hear that my fuel pump did not prime. Okay, now let's take this guy out, turn this back on, and you guys can hear the fuel pump priming. And then, see? And now we're going to turn it off. I don't know if you can just cut it as it's on like that. I don't want to take a chance of blowing a fuse or anything, so we're going to try doing that. And now we have the kill switch off as he foot's on the pedal. now on. There you go, hallelujah. And there it is. Let's reinstall everything, and I'm going to show you how it looks installed and with new hardware. It is installed, it works. Now let's install this back. We're going to use a new 10 mil. This is from Street Legacy. We do carry the highest quality hardware in the game. It looks OEM with a bit of a flare. It's a little stronger than OEM. You can use a half inch impact on this guy and they will not round or break. So let's install this. You're gonna see a brand new little 10 mil. It's the little details that make the difference in my opinion. So what you're going to do is you're going to swing the bracket on this outside and use this 10 mil to hold it down, or the 10 mil that you have, and then we can just do this. See? Beautiful. I know this is ugly, but at least there's a beautiful 10 mil there. And now this is secured, and we're basically just going to tuck it in here, and I'm going to route my kill switch, but I'm not going to tell you guys where it is. And there it is, a super simple install that has great benefits. There's nothing that I've installed in a long time that was this easy, that had the benefits that this has. Take that in. Great quality, great product. Ray's a great guy. I highly believe in supporting small businesses and supporting people who actually care. Ray is a Honda enthusiast. He builds them. He's a super smart guy. And I want to thank Ray again for making such great products. He's the absolute GOAT. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys want to check out the playlist of the Honda, if you guys believe it or not, I got that car for $100 and it was stanced, like -8 stance. And look at it now. Check out the playlist. It's an awesome playlist of the build I've done within 2 years, and it's only getting better from here. This winter, we're gonna tear it down and make it look so much better. Peace out, do it once, do it right, like, comment, subscribe.